everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Go! Ano to? Thank you, Belmer. Our heart-to-heart catch-up made me appreciate you even more. Bakit? Tumawag because? Anong meron? Sorry. Are you done? Baby time? Charis! Ang sakto timing natawag si Donnie. Natawag si Donnie. Ay, Donnie, solvo naman sa girl talk nila. Oh, hello. Ay, nagpaalam. Nagpaalam, oh. Edmond? Wala ka niyan? Asa ka na, Edmond? Akala ko ba, Edmond? Wala. Ano na, Edmond? Akala ko ba wala? Eh, nagpaalam pa nga pala, Edmond, eh. Ay, yes.
Like we wouldn't be here if not for the wonderful women in our lives.
Yes. Oh, your mom, your beloved someone. Ganon.
One of
Diba?
them being my mother who's not here.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I love you. Thank you for being the strongest woman I know.
Strongest one.
So I
Atake.
guess I have to dedicate it to
Ang galing niya talaga mag-speech, eh.
Belle.
Ah, Belle! Ba't ba si Belle?
Men won't matter even if for the women.
Yes. Oh my God, this is love. Love talaga yun, Mel. Love talaga yan. Wala kayong naluloko. Hindi naman sila naluloko. What I'm trying to say is, love talaga yan. Diba? Love talaga yan.
Hindi ko naman po i-deny na Donnie talaga yung
Mhm.
talaga, he's not just a blessing to me, but a blessing to our supporters.
Mhm.
Talagang sobrang deserve niya. He's the type of guy na who's always gonna be there for you, gonna support you no matter what.
Oh. Ay! Ay! Ilan tayo nakangiti? Si Donnie, no? Ang soft-soft ni Donnie talaga pag kasama niya si Belle. Uy, napanood niyo na ba yung sa Wish na performance si Belle? Ang ganda ng boses si Belle to. Napanood niyo na ba? Panoorin niyo, ha? View din tayo. Okay. Sing. Oh, wala na. Ay. Ay, si Kyle. Iba din si Kyle.
143, sir.
Ay, ano to?
Kano? 143?
143.
I love you.
143 din po.
Ay! Ay! Yes, I love you. Charis! Ay, bagong kanta to ni Belle? Numbers Don't Lie ang title. Parang maganda yung kanta, no? Ay, they're really happy. They're really happy talaga. Everything been giving away all my sadness. But it's over. Not until you don't know. May gigil doon si Donnie. May gigil talaga doon si Donnie, I swear. Ay, ano to? Ang cute, ang ganda ng kapatid ni Donnie. Baby girl na baby girl. Sweet sweet naman. I'll take my hand, stay with you. Okay. Ay! Sensui! Ay! Sana all. Sana all kinakalagkad ni Donnie. Chas! Atake. Di ba? Sana all kinakaladkad. Kailan kayo lalabas ang... Ano ito? Ay, may gano'n sabi. Okay. Ay! Maanga si Donnie doon. Soft talaga si Donnie pagdating dito. Pag si Bella yung kaharap niya, nagiging soft na siya. And you cannot deny the fact. Ay, ay, ano to? Ay.
Dali naman yung mga chats mo, hindi ako magbabasa. Dali na. Akin na.
Ay, totoo.
Ano to?
Ay, tito.
Matt.
Ay, makaka-copyright pala ako niyan. Ay, ano to? Baga't mahal kita, lagi na lang akong sumusunod sa'yo. Mahal kita, yan ay di totoo. Honey, my love. Ay. Okay. Yan lang sa'kin. Ay,
I named my second daughter
ngayon pa man. Hala, ang gwapo ni Donnie. Green flag talaga siya. Kasi gawin siya, ay, tinan mo si Belle, kapit na kapit. Belle, bakit ang kapit na kapit yan, Belle? Ay, happy Valentine's. May gana pala sila. Ay, bumesi. Wait, ano to? Ay, maghahag pa siya! Chari. Oh, uulitin natin. Oh! Was he waiting for something? Yes! Yes! Anyways, that is all for today's video from Don the Compilation. This is Kira Vlogs. See you on the next vlog. Bye!